my name's Tony Hernandez with Porter Truck Sales here on 135 McCarty Street in Houston, Texas, 77029. We have many different kinds of trucks. Right here we have a 2001 XL Classic, complete overhaul, brand new paint job for $74,500. We also have 2019 Volvo dump trucks with new dump bodies, electric tarps for sale. We also have 1996 Peterbilt and 2004. I also have this 2019 T680 Cummins Power automatic, 553,000 miles. If you're interested in any of these trucks or trailers, you can contact me at 281-541-9856. I'm also bilingual, hablo español. Thank you.